Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we are going to know about this. Why civil engineering?
The very first question will raise in everyone's mind, like why civil engineering? What it's all about. Let me talk to you. The discipline of civil engineering deals with the various aspects of planning, designing, construction, maintenance and modification of physical structure and naturally built environment. In other words, civil engineering is considered as the single largest branch among all the engineering branches. Civil engineering makes use of scientific principles to solve the given problems of society, like residential, commercial, industrial and public works projects of all sizes and levels of construction. Structures such as tunnels, dams, sewers, bridges, highways, canals, industrial plants, railway lines, airports, etc. also come under the category of civil engineering. Scope and employment potentials. India needs technology revolution in the country. In this regard, the industry requires huge numbers of engineers to tap the untapped spaces domestically and overseas. Since India's construction sector is forecasted to grow at 7 to 8% each year over the next decade, the industry is seeking to spread its wings in every corner of the country. The industry has an increased international penetration besides meeting the advancing domestic demands. According to the US Bureau of Labor Statistics, predicted that job opportunities will increase by 20% for the profession between 2012 and 2022, citing a continued demand for civil engineers. Therefore, there is a rising demand of potential civil engineers to fill these gaps, having vast potential. Since the industrial expansion is phenomenal, civil engineering is seen as a promising career option among the young aspirants.